So in this video, we're going to talk, in this lecture, we're going to talk about centroids and center of volume. So we're moving into chapter 9 of our book. So for centroids, we're going to talk about center of gravity, center of mass, and center of volume. So what's the difference between those three things? So I'll give some mathematical definitions of the center of gravity, center of mass, and center of volume. And then we'll also talk about the centroid of a cross-sectional area, so a 2D shape. And then we'll also talk about how you could calculate the centroid of a line, which is obviously a 1D shape. And we'll talk about how you would go about these calculations. So this is going to all of these calculations heavily involve integration. So you'll be using integrals in order to solve for all these quantities. We'll talk about, so we're going to do an example of a line, which is a 1D shape. We'll do an example of a centroid, which is a 2D. And we'll do one that is going to be a center of mass, which is a 3D shape. So we'll have 3 videos, or we'll have I think we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos for this lecture. One to introduce the definitions of all these different variables. Another to show you the table of integrals for common lines, areas, and volumes, and also some common derivatives and integrals that may be helpful for you to complete this work. And then there's also going to be a example on each of these different types. All right. Alright, so just like always, the homework problem answers are located in the packet, as well as the answers to all the example problems. And then for the in-class assignment, all I'd like you to do is try example 9.8 and try to submit that attempt to Canvas. And then you should do this by Sunday, 4/26. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.